23.
Next 44.
Okay, shukran. Shukran.
I'm from Morocco.
Nice to meet you. Shukran. So I look for 34. From here to Marrakesh, then from Marrakesh we take the fastest train back to Casablanca. Our last day in Agadir. So you can see my bag over here, it's parked. And I just got a ticket over here for 120 mad. We're gonna be using Supra Thor from Agadir to Marrakesh. When we are coming, we used this one, CTM, but today we're using this one for 120 mad. So it's gonna be around 3 hours. So join me. Let's go board. Oh, let's see this. All right. Hello, my friend. Shukran. Supra Thor. Let's go board. Shukran. So my seat is 34. So I look for 34. I'm going to change my seat from 34 to 49. Okay. All right. The next 3 hours, we're gonna be on the road. Let's go. The idea is to go from here to Marrakesh. Then from Marrakesh, we take the fastest train back to Casablanca. So keep watching. Let's go. And Agadir looks so beautiful. That underpass. Wow, we just stopped here for 5 minutes. I think people want to use the restrooms and buy some refreshments. Oh, over here they also have kids playground, and let's go see if we can get something over there before we start moving again. Wow, this is Tangier plate. Let's see if we can buy something. We decided to just have some Moroccan tea before we continue this journey. So I just ordered this. There's one more thing that is coming. Oh, shukran, my friend. Alright guys, let's head back to the bus. I don't know how long we're supposed to stay outside, so it's better I go earlier than being waited for. Hello.
Hello.
Salam. Another Suprato, but we came with this one. So let's go back inside. How far?
Maybe.
Makes sense. $49. We are on our way once again. Look at the view of the beautiful mountains on the road. Almost. Okay. 26 minutes into Marrakesh. Oh wow, this place looks beautiful. The houses are beginning to look like Marrakesh, the red city. I think we're in Marrakesh. This city looks like Marrakesh. I think we're in Marrakesh. Guys, welcome to Marrakesh. Alright, shukran. Alright guys, I have my luggage. So, whoa, look at that Afcon bus. I think that is for Cameroon. So we have to book a taxi and head to the train station here in Marrakesh. So, of course, welcome to the red city, but we're not stopping here. We're on the move.
This is a train station. The bus we entered is the...
Oh, okay, that's it.
Yeah, the bus we entered has like, I think they have like an affiliation with the...
No, that the same
company that runs the two.
Yeah.
And look at, they have like a bus park from Tangier. They have a bus park straight at the train station in case you want to enter a connecting train.
Beautiful. I was even thinking we're gonna book a taxi, not knowing that the station is just right here. So let's hurry and get a ticket. Wow, this is beautiful. McDonald's. Guys, let's get a ticket over here. We just got a ticket over here for 160 dirham from Marrakesh all the way to Casablanca. Guys, let's go.
Platform 3, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Wow, guys, this place is beautiful. Let's go to Casa Voyage. Huh? See, I'm here, platform 3. Hello. Let's go to Casablanca. Actually, we are going to arrive in Casablanca by 9:30 at night, 9:30 p.m. Hello, which of the coach, please?
Marrakesh 23. That's 11 and 21 into 20.
23.
Next vehicle.
Okay, super. We have a long way to go. We're going to 23. Oh, 21. I think it's not that far. Oh, 23 over here.
I'm from Morocco.
Nice to
And
meet
you?
you. I'm
Nice to meet you.
Nigerian.
Nigeria. Nice to meet you.
All right. We're going to open this also for visibility as we go. 6:35 on the dot, and we are on our way to Casablanca. Time is 9:24, and we just arrived here. No. All right, guys, this is my first time. We need to book a taxi. All right, guys, welcome back to Casablanca. Hey.
We are here, we're live, and it's night. We just came back from Agadir, back to Casablanca. So we came back to Casablanca, from Agadir.